I know, but it's not gonna ruin my day.
9.1 out of 10.
Wow.
Okay, I'm gonna call you back.
Girl, $25, like, come on. I have to get this.
I want to add a little bit more to my tree.
I mean, that's good to pray. No, pray.
You want me to do an art project? I'm dropping everything. This one or this one? I think this one for my tree.
5 points. You a lie. You.
Good morning, welcome back to another Vlogmas video. So today is actually Vlogmas day 5. Is it 5? 4 or 5, something like that. Y'all know we do it every other day. So today I actually just did like a morning little shindig, something like that. Just made a little breakfast. I got a long day today. I just really decided today that I want to add a little bit more to my tree. And today's the day that I'm about to go look for ornaments. So I'm gonna go to a couple stores, which will be like Homegoods. I'm probably gonna go to, let's see, Hobby Lobby, At Home, Michael's, Kirklands, Burlington, like stuff like that. I'm gonna see how many stores I can get to with, you know, with the time that I have, because later on I do have to go to my sister's game, her basketball game, and then I'm gonna spend some time with my sisters as well. So I am gonna do as much as I can in this short amount of time before I have to go and go to the game. So let's get right into it. I'm not gonna hold y'all too long. This outfit that I have on right now, I think y'all saw it in the previous Vlogmas episode. Quick little outfit, pajama outfit. So this one is from Fashion Nova. It actually comes with the sleep mask, and I don't know why y'all didn't tell me that I got this sleep mask. As y'all can see, this is the pajama outfit of the day. I actually didn't realize I had this sleep mask on still on the top of my head. I just pushed it up and kept moving, but it comes with the sleep mask. It's a pajama outfit. I actually really love this. It like fits really well. It's like a cotton material, and my favorite part is house shoes to go with it. Like, is that not cute? Like, these are from Burlington. I felt like they matched. As soon as I saw them at Burlington, I was like, yeah, just gonna wear something simple like a jogging suit or something like that, just so I could be, you know, real comfortable at her game. It's like a middle school game, so it's gonna be fine just wearing a jogging suit. So let me get dressed. I'm gonna be right back and let's do it. Yeah, I feel like I'm on like a pink vibe right now. So I just got this little jogging suit. I don't remember where I got it from. It's just a plain little pink jogging suit. Brought these out, these pink Nike Dunks, and then I have this purse. Y'all remember I had packed up these purses. I haven't had a chance to kind of display these because I decided, I was asking my mama to put them up there, and then I was like, how am I gonna get them down? Because I'm so short that when I'm here by myself, I'm not gonna be able to get them down. So Yeah, I don't think I'm gonna put them up there. I have to find another place to put them, but temporarily they just stacked right here in this corner. Anyway, so let me see. It's all pink purses in here. So I'm going to, does this one match? No, see that's too bright. I think I need the Telflower. Y'all, Telflower is supposed to be coming out with a red Telflower circle bag. I'm trying to decide if I need that. I don't need it. I don't, because we just had to talk about that yesterday. Well, actually, wait. I can reach up here. So maybe I should put, girl, I did all of that. I be just talking sometimes because I never actually tried it. I just thought that I couldn't reach it. Y'all getting stuff in real time. I just be trial and error, trial and error. 1, 2. Wait, I kind of want to space them out. Let me get my purse down since I'm over here, because that's what I really came up here for, was to get the purse. What y'all think? Okay, so now I'm out of breath, but I'm gonna wear this pink Telflower bag. Oh, and I got headphones in, girl. Just doing a lot. It's like 50-some degrees outside, y'all. I think I'm gonna do Miss Dior, like a soft type of scent. And I'll show y'all the full outfit at some point, because I don't want to put the shoes on now, but yeah. I think I'm gonna just wait till I get to somebody's store. So if you don't know by now because you're new here, my name is Mashia. Make sure you subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to hit the notification bell because everything is major on this channel and I would not want you to miss out on that. And don't forget that we're doing a giveaway. So keep watching all the Vlogmas videos. The announcement will be coming very, very soon. So make sure y'all watching all the Vlogmas videos because I'm telling you, it's literally clues. It's been clues in all of the Vlogmas episodes so far. So I'm so excited because I'm like, oh, I'm hoping they paying attention. I have seen all the comments. Make sure y'all continue to comment. Let me know what your favorite part is. The things you do that you see me do and things like that that we share in common, and why you subscribed and you love this channel. So I appreciate seeing all of those things. So continue to comment and let me get going because I really don't have a lot of time. And well, y'all may or may not know this, but I still could do a lot with not a lot of time. So let's see what we come up with. Okay. This is not cute, but I think these are orange, not red, right? Are these orange or red? I think this is orange. Look at these. If I was doing purple, oh my god, I love that. Is this orange or red? Like I literally can't tell. I'ma just hold on to these because I don't know. We getting somewhere, y'all. We getting somewhere. But I'm still gonna go to other stores. Y'all know I'm gonna go to like, this is a cute store. I know I already got a star. Just everybody relax. And I'm ready to go. See, like, look at this. This is what I need. But in red. You know what's crazy, y'all? I was at home in October, but because I didn't know I was doing red back then, I kind of was just sticking with the silver and gold. I didn't get none of this, and I should have just bought it because they have so many, like, I'm gonna show y'all back when I was there. Okay, I'm kind of thinking pink and rose gold because wow, the pink is so cute. I definitely want to do pink and gold now. Oh my god, I think I want to do pink and gold. I'd rather have Jesus than a silver and gold. I really just don't want the I feel like it would make more sense to get a big one like that instead of getting whatever. Okay. I'm gonna just get it. Oh, is that more? Wait a minute. Oh my god. Let's see. Look what I found for you. Okay, wait. I just need. What about these? These are. Ooh. I think I'm gonna do these. Red and white. Oh. What about these? Let me look at my tree. Which I think? I'm dropping everything. This one or this one? I think this one for my tree. I like this. I like stuff like this. I think it's real cute. Real cute, real cute. Okay, I gotta get out of here. Because now I'm just talking about stuff is cute. Okay, let's go to the next store, y'all. I'm going to check out. Let me show y'all what I got. This is the stuff that I ended up with. I'm gonna get a Chick-fil-A milkshake. What time is it? It's really, I missed breakfast. Shoot, I think I missed breakfast. I'm about to try to order it. Y'all ever did that before? Y'all know how breakfast ends at 10:30? Curbside. I'm gonna do curbside. Add to order. And then I'm gonna add a milkshake. Hurry up, hurry up, hurry up. Thank you. Have a great day. Y'all all right? You kind of don't like you. Are we still waiting for the shake? Yeah. Oh, okay. I'm sitting here. Thank you. You too. Cause I'm like just sitting there watching them show pictures of their kids and their dog. I should have went out the other way. Now I'm gonna be back at the drive-thru. Oops. I'm like, she just gave me the straw, girl. Where the milkshake at? But let me try this again, because I definitely feel like I tried this before and I was like, oh, it's too sweet for the morning time. And here I go getting it again. You know which milkshake I didn't get a chance to try? Was that caramel milkshake. Hi, I ordered already. I just need to get out the drive-thru. You too. Oh my god. I remember now. Okay. I remember because I was like, it tasted like Andy's candy. I literally remember this. Now I gotta wait for all these cars. Oh my god, why they got their drive-thru set up like this? You know what? You know what I think would be good? It's just the ice cream without the chunks, because I feel like the crunch and the chunks is a lot of flavors going on. For me, I would definitely like just the ice cream by itself. I would definitely eat it. Not as like a milkshake, but I would eat it by itself. Well, anyway, I'm about to go to Bath and Body Works since it's right here now. Gotta change my order around a little bit because I was actually about to go to Homegoods. Oh, something burning my tongue. I was actually about to go to Homegoods first, but now that I'm at Chick-fil-A, I'm gonna just go to Bath and Body Works and then do the rest of the ornament shopping because I need to go get my ooh, child, I just want to get out this job. Wait. I didn't realize I could have got out all that time. All I had to do was read the sign. Anyway, y'all, I got a lot going on. I'm about to head to Bath and Body Works. And I'll call y'all when I get in there. Okay, I know I'm not supposed to be in here, but H&M was next door, y'all. Look, this coat is $25. I feel like I need this. I'm about to get it. Girl, $25, like, come on. I have to get this. For real? I don't know what's going on with the background, but ignore that. Don't look at that. Look at this coat. Girl, I'm about to go check out. I don't know if my Secret Santa wants candles like that, but I definitely think that would fit them. Okay, y'all. Now I'm back to ornament shopping. Now that I left out of the mall, I am getting ready to go to Homegoods, Kirklands, and Michael's. My problem is that I waited too long to decide that I'm putting red on my tree because I could have been got this stuff. Because I didn't really have red. I didn't think it was going to look like it. What is wrong with this basket? Trying to ruin my day. I know, but it's not going to ruin my day. Okay, red and white. These are cute.
I was in here a couple of days ago and there was a lot of stuff in here.
Yes, all gone now. I was just telling my mom that. They were $5. And then they only have these two. They only have one. Look, they only have one of each. I would have to go to another.
I think you should get all of the different kind of prayers so you can do what I'm trying to get you to do. That way your tree can be lit. Don't nobody wear that booth.
Come on.
You gotta work on the tree being lit. No.
I'm trying to figure out who do you think I am? You want me to redo? My whole tree gonna be filled with ornaments.
No, you're gonna put those around like a wreath. You put them on a string, and they ask these people where the strings at so you can put them on there. Girl, they go all the red things right there. All you gotta do is buy two of those and start putting them on the string and tie them up and put them around. No, the big, you got a big one down there. You saw them big ones?
What, these? You talking about these?
It's like 12 of them in a pack. Is that 12 or?
I don't know, it's like 24.
No, you get 48 of them. But my thing of it is, I noticed that the girl, she wrapped them around the tree.
Oh, you want me to do an art project?
Yeah, everything is an art project. And it should be $1 or $2.
Okay, this is it. I'm getting two lessons. Oh, this one open.
I don't want that one. But you gotta get
The pompiest things, or you mean? Wow, do you hear my basket? It's like in the line right now. I think there's something wrong with it. Like, look at these. I'm just about to pull over so you can see. Look. They only got one. I'm gonna have to go to a different poppy. Okay, they got these. But it's only one. It's only one in each.
Oh, that's cute. You probably need that one you got in your left hand. You take that other one and just throw it in the tree. How much is the person?
99 cents. So it'd be 50 cents.
Stick it in your tree.
They got more of them.
I think that's gonna be cute at the top. For 39 cents.
Go.
Yeah, but I didn't like those at the top.
Oh, I did that. Oh my God. Look. How about these? Or this? I don't like that. I think those. I didn't bring a basket, so we'll see how this goes. Ooh. I don't like this though. I gotta get on the other side. Okay, I'm gonna need a basket. So I found these so far, and they're red. These, I know they are white, but they like got pearls on them. I feel like that's real cute. And I got these, red and gold. I'm gonna go get a basket. Because I don't know who basket this is, but oh, I had to make sure it wasn't hers. I'm taking somebody's basket. All right, take this stuff out, put it right here. That was kind of cute. I wonder why they didn't get that. Okay, so we good now. These are cute. I got these already, but these are cute. They got like little, I don't need no more pillows. This one cute, and it got two of them. Ooh. This. I don't know what this stuff is, but is this all on one thing? Is that too much? Is that too much? That's too much. Okay, y'all, so let me show y'all what I got. It's a bunch of stuff. It's a bunch of stuff that I wanted to show y'all. I really don't have a lot of time because it's actually, and I'm on the phone with my mama right now, but y'all can't really see. Y'all can't see that. It's 4:30 right now. Her game starts at 5:30 and I have to drive there, so I don't have no time to decorate, none of that, so that's gonna be in a different vlog. Let me just show y'all some of the stuff. I got these from Hobby Lobby, as y'all could see. Like literally sitting everywhere. Okay, let's try that. Okay, here we go. Okay, so these are from these. No, it don't.
Like red light, green light, yellow light, stop.
Okay, I'm gonna call you back.
Why?
No, it don't.
Yellow light, green light, yellow light, stop.
What I was thinking was, first of all, what I was thinking was I could use the red and the gold out of here. You know I don't got no green. I only wanted the red and gold one. So you think I should take these back?
You should use them last.
All right. So,
It look like the stoplight.
okay, Mom. Thank you. I mean, no, not Hobby Lobby, at home. I just said Hobby Lobby for all that stuff. All that stuff was from at home. I think these are cute. I got 2 of those. So all of that's from at home. These are from, now I'm starting with Hobby Lobby. These are from Hobby Lobby. You just saying and ain't looking at nothing.
Girl, I think you Hobby Lobby because I told you to get to it.
Okay. I got these from Hobby Lobby. One of these is broken now, so I have to go to a different Hobby Lobby. I didn't even look at it.
Was it broke when you got them?
I think so. Because I didn't open nothing. The thing is off of, you know how you hook it on?
You went to the game today, should have picked them up from the game and then brought them to the house and got them ready for school tomorrow and had them help put the tree up.
Well, she has a game today. I don't know. Is that what I'm supposed
But
to
if
do?
you look at the TikTok video, she said you have to put them on there with different sizes or else they're going to slip through. You have to mix them up.
I didn't go to Michael's, but maybe I'll go to Michael's when I go to a different Hobby Lobby. I got these from Homegoods. You saw these already.
Those are cute.
Yeah.
Those are
Very cute. Then I went to Kirklands and I got these. These are my favorite.
I like those too.
From Kirklands. This is what I initially went to Kirklands for, but then I saw those big, what do you call it? Big peppermint.
Definitely the move.
I thought these are very cute. I think so. And then I got a bunch of Bath and Body Works things. I feel like she should have gave me a bigger bag because the bag is tearing. But that's all I got. I got a bunch of these. And I got 2 Christmas scents. Or 3, I guess. I don't even really know what I bought.
Yeah. When I grow up, I'm gonna buy me a make love in the state of late in this.
I am realizing that after the game it's not even enough footage, so what I'm doing is adding in some footage from Thanksgiving with my little sisters that we had. I didn't get a chance to put it out with the original Thanksgiving video, so I'm putting this out with my little sisters. I hope y'all enjoy. Make sure y'all like this video, subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to leave a comment below. Let me know what your favorite part is, and I'll see y'all later.
Hello, Vivo Ray is Sydney, and today we are going to be making cinnamon roll blondie bar.
Okay, so we just gotta get our ingredients.
Baking mix. Can I open this?
Yeah, she already opened it. So we need what again?
We need 1 pack. We need this. We need 3 teaspoons softened unsalted butter, 1 stick melted unsalted butter again, 1.5 cup, and 2 large eggs and 1 teaspoon of water. I don't remember if I said my name, so I'm gonna say it again. Okay.
But you can say it again, maybe they missed it.
Okay, my name is Sydney.
Olivia is here too. She is not a part of the party again.
You know what? Okay.
Okay, so I need to
Here in the background, yeah. We're always the ones being working and making our stuff.
Okay, you got everything?
Well, yeah. Yeah.
You just gotta wash our hands.
Yeah. The butter, the 1.5 cups. We need this?
No, that's for the upside down cake. You don't need that.
Bowl.
Oh my god.
Oh my gosh.
Come on.
This is my sister.
Oh my gosh.
Which one was this?
I've been on my feet all day.
And I
You do.
know how to make it.
That's what she do. She got that. She got that.
Wow.
The only part I don't like.
How are we spelling no? Is it N-O or K-N-O-W?
K-N-O-W, because you K-N-O-W. Don't K-N-O-W know what you're talking about.
So I don't know what I'm talking about?
No, you don't K-N-O-W what you talking about.
Specific type of banana pudding.
I mean, I like
I
it.
don't remember what type
Like
it was.
bread?
I like this.
Appetizer.
Really sweet, but really delicious.
I don't know what to call it. But like, sweet potatoes are very underrated. Yams are very underrated. Whatever you want to call them.
It's a yam.
Can I get to the yams? Anyways.
Yes.
But they're
Show me the way. 'Cause I got bills to pay. I ain't got no bills to pay.
Say that again.
I'm sorry.
Sweet, yeah. Show me the way.
I'm trying to get used to it.
What?
To the people that think that chicken is better than turkey.
Who said that?
Me.
No, I said. What are you?
Ham.
Oh my gosh! I said ham is better than turkey.
And I said
And
chicken is
it's
better than turkey.
Oh,
Okay.
I have like bird baskets.
Plain yams.
Yams and similar songs
Huh?
on Amazon Music.
What's yam?
Is that it?
Yeah, it is, but why did she say yam?
Sweet, yeah. Show me the way, 'cause I got bills to pay. Can I get the yams? I know those yams are meant for me. But I'm only asked for the purest of currency. They say yams are the power that be. Well, I need to pay utilities. Can I get the yams?
I will put in the cinnamon.
burgers up on me.
No, I'm not. I didn't smash it. I was just gonna put the seasoning throughout it.
We're doing a 1-2 step.
1-2 step.
That's when I knew.
I got proof.
That's when I knew.
He said that's when I knew. You like the fruit?
I think my favorite part was Yeet. Yeet was hitting in this. Oh man, I was. And that beat dropped in the beginning.
What about it?
That's the best part of the song.
Is it? I like that part. Coming live from the.
Okay, here we go. Hi guys, this is this Jay. I'm about to play my song. We're playing Drake's. And my song is Rich Flex. Why is it Rich Flex? Because it got my number in it. Which anyway. Okay. This is about to play after this stupid ad. And maybe if she wants to put in my footage of me making that last layup of the game, you'll be able to see my number. Which is numero 21. 21. Can you do so for me? Last time.
Can you put my lip gloss on?
Yeah.
That's nuts, Millie. 21, can you do something for me? Can you hit a little rich flex for me? Then 21, can you do something for me? Drop some bars to my pussy ex for me. Then 21, can you do something for me? Can you talk to the ops next for me? 21,
Let me see what it looks like without the bun.
21, do your thing.
Okay, y'all, I'm done. I'm the first one done. I'm ready to eat. I'm trying to wait for them. This is the Sprite that I have been looking for. When I first moved here, I could not find it nowhere. Finally found it at Kroger, and I just feel like I have to have it. I got everybody drinking it today. It's so good. Can y'all see that? Yeah. Let me see. Don't drop your burger. Y'all don't have no fries? I just winged it. I can't wait because they taking too long. One thing about it, they trying to dance now. My burger cold.
Looks, I'm gonna give a 10 out of 10 for, well, a 8.7 for her mom, only because the bottom of it is.
Mine's gotta be the best.
Oh my gosh.
I'm gonna give Sydney's a good.
It doesn't look good. It doesn't look good.
A good 6.2.
But it's good, right?
Because it looks like there's too many condiments on it. I don't even know why. I'm gonna give Macia's a 7.7 because the buns look kind of bland. I'm not gonna hold. But yeah,
it's probably good.
Mine has
or like broccoli.
You're being rude.
I'm
You
not
haven't
being
even
rude.
tried it.
I'm being honest.
Just try it. Try it! Don't be prying in your dang head. I know you is. I mean, that's good to pray. No, pray!
Food be
But-
nourishing. Jesus, may this food be good enough to be nourishing to my body in Jesus' name.
So rude.
She said
So rude. Taste it! Taste it!
it's probably good because it's loaded with her special English sauce.
Now let me tell you, it's turkey meat. It's turkey.
That's why it tastes the off.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, turkey.
It tastes like that meat you put in like a Caesar salad.
I have a special seasoning too. Is it good? It is good?
Tastes like a Caesar salad.
It's good though.
It's probably my boss.
So what do you rate it?
No, I gave her a rating off of looks.
Oh.
Taste. No disrespect, but I give that like a 5.6.
You a lie! you a lie! That tastes good. There's something wrong with your taste buds. Olivia!
That's a 5.7.
You ain't gotta pray nothing. Just rude.
What's going on with it? What's going on with it?
She talking. She can't speak while she talking.
That's good.
It's joking.
I look crazy when I bite because of my braces. But
She said hers is good. Whatever.
Just like that.
I'll give that a good 9.1 out of 10.
Wow.
Oh, girl, you're not just saying that because it's my vlog, right?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
No, it's actually good. It's actually decent.
But
Cindy, I think her taste buds is right.
you was a little worried at first. No, it's all right. It's all right. She did. I know why she did it. Cause you got bacon on yours.
That bacon set off them.
Yeah, she put maple bacon on there. So it wasn't just a regular bacon.
I feel like
Is it the bacon that's kicking it?
the bacon is what made it better. Because this one with Sydney's, all you tasted was turkey.
Oh.
And whatever special condiment that was. But with this one, you get a good taste of the bacon.
Girl, I'm gonna open up a restaurant.
Alright. Yeah. Ooh, ooh. Jesus.
Don't worry about it. Don't worry about the bottom.
I'm not gonna take no deductions at the bottom. That's just a mistake.
Okay?
You can cook.
Yep.
Yep. By all means, I'm gonna give you something to drink.
What happened?
She had,
I'll say an 8.7 out of 10.
You said mine is worse.
But this is not a competition.
You said mine's the worst.
I think.
You don't like mine?
Sydney put her sauce. Sydney had the sauce though. She made that sauce by herself.